This week I'm testing the Honda Civic Hatch, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the drive. The Civic Hatch is just really no fuss. It's smooth, it's punchy, and it's a lot of fun. Number 2 is the left-hand indicator camera. It comes on automatically when you put your left indicator on, or you can turn it on with a button on the end of the stalk. And I really like having it on when I've got my little girl in the back. She enjoys watching it while we drive along. Number 3 is the boot. It has this fantastic pull-across retractable roller blind, and it's actually really spacious and easy to get prams and strollers in and out of. I've really enjoyed driving the Honda Civic with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.